PhilHealth has an appeal to media men. It wants them to be responsible in disseminating facts about healthcare in the country. More from Ara Perez.
Beyond the images in front and behind the camera, the media has huge shoes to fill in terms of the responsible dissemination of facts. With this, PhilHealth is optimistic with the image that the media portrays in connection with the state of healthcare in the Philippines.
Maganda ang relasyon natin with the media, no? Lalo na ng PhilHealth and all other government agencies. Kasi ang maganda rin naman dito, ang health is a priority of the current administration.
The PhilHealth official is hopeful that a day will come when the belief that health for all is true for the young or old, rich or poor.
Dadating yung panahon na dapat ay hindi na totoo yung sinasabi na ang mahihirap ay namamatay nang walang nakakakitang doktor or nurse man lang.
Meanwhile, PhilHealth currently has almost 40,000 accredited healthcare providers for its 89 million members nationwide. The agency said this is enough as their funds are managed properly.
Hindi naman po lahat sabay-sabay nagkakasakit, and ang magandang nais nating ipunto sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino, kailangan mag-invest tayo para sa ating kalusugan. Kung hindi pa ho tayo miyembro ng PhilHealth, magpa-miyembro na tayo kasi sa halagang 200 pesos a month or 6 pesos 60 centavos a day, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng PhilHealth benefits at ma-enjoy ito ng inyong pamilya.
If the administration keeps an eye on the merits of healthcare, Filipinos should be more keen in making this their priority.
Iba po yung investment sa health. Kasi kung ang ating mga tao ay malulusog, kung ang bayan ay walang sakit, mas magiging produktibo ang lahat.
For the People's Television, this is Ara Perez.